In this video, I'll be explaining you guys on how to fix I can't comment on LinkedIn. So let's get started. If you're having trouble commenting on LinkedIn, like the comment box is grayed out or your comment doesn't post, don't worry. I'll show you the main reasons this happens and exactly how to fix it step by step. First of all, just try refreshing LinkedIn or logging out and logging back in, because sometimes LinkedIn has a temporary glitch. Simply refreshing the page or logging out and back in fixes most of the small issues, and this clears temporary bugs that can stop comments from working. So just try refreshing or try logging out and logging back in, and that might fix the issue sometimes. If that doesn't work, then check if there's something wrong with your internet connection, because a slow or unstable internet connection can prevent your comments from posting. So try switching Wi-Fi networks or using mobile data or restarting your router. If this also doesn't work, then try clearing cache and cookies on your browser. So go to your browser settings, proceed to privacy and security, and delete browsing data. Try that, because LinkedIn stores temporary files in your browsers and sometimes these files get corrupted and prevent commenting. So clearing your cache and cookies often fixes this problem. If this still doesn't work, try disabling some of your browser extensions, because certain browser extensions or ad blockers can interfere with LinkedIn's comment box. So disable these extensions temporarily and reload LinkedIn, and your comment box should start working again. So a bunch of people have several browser extensions and some of you might use ad blockers. In my case, I use my browser which has an built-in ad blocker. So just try disabling it and try refreshing it after and see if that works. Right, but if this still doesn't work, then try updating your browser or your LinkedIn app, because outdated versions of LinkedIn on your browser may have bugs. So make sure your app or browser is up to date to avoid issues with posting comments. If this also doesn't work, check your account restrictions. If you're unable to comment, LinkedIn might have temporarily restricted your account due to spam or flagged content or repeated violations of the terms of services. So check your email or LinkedIn notifications to see if there's a restriction. So you can just see your notifications or go to your settings and privacy and see if your account has been restricted or not in some way. But if it hasn't, then just try another device. So if you're on PC, try switching to your mobile app or something of the like, because this helps isolate the issue. If you can comment on another device, then the problem is specific to your original device, usually your browser or your app related. And lastly, if none of the above fixes work, just try contacting LinkedIn support, because they can help you fix the issue if you provide them more details about what's really happening. So provide a screenshot of the issue of your browser app or version and then device you're using, and this can help unlock commenting if it's an account or a technical problem by LinkedIn itself. So you can just go ahead on your browser and search LinkedIn support, LinkedIn help, and you can contact them from here, and I hope that it'll fix your issue once you have contacted them. So anyways guys, that'll be it for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.